Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW X5 gas tank. First, locate the fuel filler door on the right rear side of your vehicle. With the car unlocked, simply press the door firmly on its leading edge. You'll hear a click as the latch releases. Then, twist the fuel cap counterclockwise to remove it. It's designed to be straightforward and secure. Sometimes, the fuel door might not open immediately. First, confirm your BMW X5 is fully unlocked. A locked car will prevent the door from opening. If it's cold, ice might be the culprit, so gently clear any obstructions. If issues persist, your owner's manual provides details on the emergency release, usually found in the trunk. If the standard method fails, your BMW X5 has an emergency release. Open the trunk and look for a small pull tab or loop, typically on the right-hand side, behind the trim panel near the fuel filler. Gently pull this tab, and you'll hear the fuel door release. This is a helpful backup for unexpected situations. After refueling, it's important to close everything properly. Replace the fuel cap, turning it clockwise until you hear several clicks, ensuring a tight seal. Then, gently push the fuel filler door shut until it latches securely. This prevents fuel evaporation and keeps your BMW X5 running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.